I'm here with this 2000 Toyota Camry, and I'm going to be replacing the front struts on here. First thing I need to do is remove the tire. It's lifted up here because the strut is damaged so bad that spider on there, that the tire busted. So I have this crowbar in here just to keep the wheel from turning. I'm going to remove the wheel. Okay, you can see the damage that the coil spring caused. It broke in two places. And it broke the sway bar link off and punctured the tire really bad. So first thing, I don't have to take this off. I have to take it off down here. This connection here I have to remove. So I'll do that, and then I'm going to take off this bolt here for the brake line. I'm going to take off these two nuts here and get ready to disconnect it from the spindle. So I'll be doing next. Okay, I got this sway bar link removed from the bottom. What I had to do was, I can't find, here it is. Okay, I had to put a plumbing wrench on this side here to hold it still and turn it with a 14mm socket on this side, and I was able to come out of it this time doing that method. Then I removed the brake line, the ABS sensor wire, took off the two nuts for the spindle to strut mount connection there. Now I'm going to take these out and separate the strut from the spindle. Then I'll go up top and take off the mounting bolts. Okay, these are the three nuts that hold on the strut at the top. They take a 14mm wrench to remove them. So after I take off these two, I need to hold the strut at the bottom of the car, underneath the car, so it doesn't fall out, and kind of guide it out. Out of position, let her remove it. Okay, and there's the strut removed and all its damaged components. So next I'm going to do the other side. I'm not going to record that side, but because it's the same thing as this side. And then I'll be replacing the complete strut assembly in the vehicle next. Okay, here's the replacement strut assembly. And what I'm going to do is, you have to hold this up in there and line these 1, 2, 3 studs up with the holes. Those 3 holes there. and then hold it in place, and then tighten down one of the mounting nuts. It's kind of tricky, but that's the easiest way to do it. That I do it. Yeah, so just put the bottom part into the. Try and set it like right about here, and then that'll give you. And just like that, line these up, put it through, and you can hand tighten these. In place, and then just tighten them down with the wrench. These take a 14mm socket to tighten it down. Then you want to line up the spindle with the strut. So these two holes line up with these two holes here, and you can put your mounting bolts and nuts and bolts on. Alright, I tighten these down, these two nuts and bolts. Put the spindle, the strut assembly. Now I gotta put the ABS wire in place, the brake line, and it takes a 12mm bolt that goes here, or it takes a 12mm socket. Put the bolt in here. Okay, right here is a 12mm socket to put that bolt on. Okay, I'm connecting this little clip here. There's the ABS wire in there. And we'll be putting a new sway bar link in. Connects here and up here. Scratched up because I had to cut the old one off of there. But yeah, next is the sway bar link. Okay, I have the sway bar link installed. This here. Up here, there's these grease pins in here. I just had to pump some grease in there. About 2 squirts from the grease gun should work for both ends. And then put the wheel on. And that's how you replace the front struts on a 2000 Toyota Camry. They recommend you replace them in pairs, so that's what I did, and that's how I did it. Thanks for watching.